let's have a little chat of why I wanted to learn to kayak. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. It is another weekend and it's another vlog time. So today we're going to finish up the baby room, get that stuff done, work on some outside stuff because the home visit is coming up very fast. And then we are going to take Leah to the groomer. Then once we get done with that, we may go kayaking. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm a little nervous for that, I'm not gonna lie. And then probably just hang out, go out to eat tonight. And then tomorrow we'll go to church, and then we have a cooking class in the evening. So 30 for 30 list will be complete this weekend. And then I'm going to do a recap video of that, so that'll be coming as well. But let's quit yapping because I'm procrastinating getting done. So let's get this cabinet cleaned out first so then I can start on the baby's room. Let's go. Alright, I want to switch out this candle. We're going to put all of our candles in this tote. I have more here. So like we have a pumpkin cinnamon. We have a Christmas one. We have one that I did not like, but still going to go in there. We have a coffee cup one. And we have a Christmas one. And then I'll put it downstairs. Baby room is done. Oh, that feels so good. So now we're gonna take this, oh sorry, the bright light, there we go. We're gonna take the shower liner and change it because this one's very yucky. So let's do that now. It is time to clean up these weeds in this fairy garden and see if I can get these chairs cleaned. So I can't do anything else because I need command strips to hang up the first aid kit. I guess I could work on my laptop and make the emergency disaster fire exit plan. See, this is stuff you don't think about, that when you have your own children, you don't make fire escape plans. You don't make sure that you have 2 fire extinguishers in your house, one in the basement, one upstairs. You don't think of that. Which you should, but you don't. So let's turn on the TV, let's watch YouTube, and let's work on that fire thing.
In here, and then I'll kind of just lay them. I'm also gonna put...
have a little chat of why I wanted to learn to kayak. So when I was younger, about 9 or 10, we went to Maine on a family vacation. Okay? So again, I'm almost 30. That was about 20 years ago. Okay? And they were all kayaking, and I said, sure, let me get on the kayak. So I get on the kayak, and remind you, I'm 9 or 10, and I get in the kayak, and I'm like trying to paddle, and it's not working. And then, of course, I make my way around the dock into lily pads. They're all like, just get out, just get out. I'm 10. I'm scared of the lily pads. I knew how to swim. I was in the lake all the time. So my aunt goes and gets her swimsuit. It took her 20 minutes, it felt like, to get her swimsuit on. My cousin is standing on the dock. My mom, I swear, was videotaping. She says she was not, but I believe she was. And then by the time my aunt got the bathing suit on, she walked onto the dock. The dog realized I was in stress and pulled me in with the rope. So I got out. That's why I want to learn to ride the kayak, because it was a very traumatic experience, but I want to learn to do it to get over that traumatic experience. I'm super nervous today because there's been so many water rescues lately. I'm like, I know how to swim. We're going to wear a life jacket. I'm with someone that's teaching me, so it'll be fine. So we're going to go eat a little snack. We're going to take Leo to the groomer. We're going to run to Walmart and get some water shoes and a waterproof bag for my phone so I can take you along. And then we're going to come home and get our bathing suits on and then go get kayaking. So let's go. You're okay.
Ready?
Okay, 4. You ready? Yep. Okay, wait a minute.
You're not.
So, wait a minute. I gotta give her some instructions. You want to make sure that the groove, yeah, because that's the one. Okay. You ready?
She's doing it. Look.
I'm gonna hit the rocks. There we go.
That's all right.
Alright, I'm home from kayaking. That was actually really, really fun. The only thing I didn't like was I slipped getting into the kayak. I didn't realize that the dock was slippery, but other than that, it was really, really fun. I loved it. It was a little hard to keep the balance, but once I got used to the paddles and leveling myself, it was wonderful. The girl that took me was actually like a family friend, so she taught me how to use the paddles, so that was very helpful. So Now I'm just gonna sit here and rest a little bit before Jacob comes home.
I mean, doesn't that happen often? Okay, but like, then why do you keep coming back if you're not?
What'd you get?
I got red curry, Thai red curry. I don't remember it being like this. It's interesting. So, where are we going?
We're going to the cooking.
Use the right two lanes to take exit 148.
And what are we learning to cook?
Pasta.
Just pasta?
And I think sauces as well. And
So-
ravioli. Well, ravioli is pasta.
So Italian, right?
1 mile.
Okay.
If we get murdered, your camera knows where we're at.
We're not gonna get murdered. This is a nice house.
We are home from the cooking class. Did you enjoy it?
I did.
Yes.
I liked it a lot.
It was very fun. We made homemade breadsticks. We made 2 types of pasta. We made the basil pasta.
Yes.
The other group made the sun-dried tomatoes pasta. And then we made vodka sauce and marinara. They made the lemon Alfredo. And then we made ravioli with sausage and cheese. And then we made bananas Fosters for dessert. It was absolutely fun. It was absolutely delicious.
What was your favorite?
I like the basil pasta. And I like the sun-dried pasta and the vodka sauce. But we did
Vodka
get to bring
sauce.
some home.
I like mine's the vodka sauce and the sun-dried tomato pasta.
Yeah, it was really good. No, we didn't try the basil pasta with the sun-dried sauce. Because we just had the
True.
ravioli with it.
Yeah.
So.
I don't know. We're gonna have leftovers this week.
And I definitely may take another class because that was really fun.
It was a lot of fun.
All right, guys. So that completes the 30 before 30. There will be a recap video coming soon on that. So be looking for that. And that completes this vlog on this little weekend. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.